counties in Illinois, Marshall, and Woodford. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a winter weather advisory for snow, which is in effect from 9 p.m. this evening to noon. Saturday. Timing. Precipitation will start as rain this evening, but will change to snow around Galesburg by midnight. Further southeast toward Peoria and Roanoke, a mixture of rain and snow is expected to form by midnight, changing to all snow by 3 a.m. Snow will then fall through much of Saturday morning, before tapering off toward midday. Amounts, snowfall totals of 3 to 6 inches are likely. The heavier totals are currently expected in areas from Galesburg east through Lincoln, with the lower totals further south around Peoria. However, if the storm track goes a bit further south than projected, then the heavier snow will shift toward the Peoria metro as well. There likely will be a very sharp transition in the amount of snow that accumulates, where totals may go from 0 to a few inches over the span of 15 to 20 miles. Main impact, hazardous driving conditions will be the main concern, especially since it has been several months since the last snowfall. While some of the snow will melt on the pavement, temperatures are expected to fall below freezing by late morning, causing some of the slush to freeze. Other impacts, northwest winds will gust to 35 to 40 miles per hour on Saturday, but the snow should be wet enough to prevent any significant blowing and drifting. A winter weather advisory for snow means that periods of snow will cause primarily travel difficulties. Be prepared for snow-covered roads and limited visibilities, and use caution while driving.
This is NOAA's weather radio station, WXK-24, broadcasting weather information for the Pontiac, Gibson City, Morris, and Ottawa areas of northern Illinois, 24 hours a day, on the frequency of 162.450 MHz, from our transmitter near Odell, Illinois. This station will also broadcast severe weather events for LaSalle, Grundy, Ford, Livingston, Will, Kankakee, Iroquois, McLean, Woodford, and Marshall counties in Illinois. This broadcast originates from NOAA's National Weather Service Forecast Office in Romeoville, Illinois. Visit us on the web at weather.gov/Chicago.
The following is a winter weather advisory from the National Weather Service, which includes the following counties in Illinois: Grundy, Kankakee, Livingston, and Will. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a winter weather advisory for snow, which is in effect from midnight tonight to 3 p.m. Saturday. Timing. Rain this evening will gradually change to snow by late evening. The snow will persist through mid to late afternoon on Saturday. Snow accumulations, 2 to 6 inches. Impacts. Potential exists for difficult driving conditions and sharply reduced visibilities, especially away from the lake. The first accumulating snow of the year can catch motorists off guard. Ensure to plan accordingly and use extra caution if traveling. A winter weather advisory for snow means that periods of snow will cause primarily travel difficulties. Be prepared for snow-covered roads and limited visibilities, and use caution while driving.
The following is a winter storm warning from the National Weather Service for the following county: LaSalle, Illinois. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a winter storm warning for heavy snow, which is in effect from 9 p.m. this evening to 3 p.m. Saturday. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Timing: a rain and snow mix this evening will transition to a wet snow and persist through mid-afternoon on Saturday, with snow briefly heavy at times. Snow accumulations, 4 to 8 inches. Impacts: potential exists for difficult driving conditions and sharply reduced visibilities. The first accumulating snow of the year can catch motorists off guard. Ensure to plan accordingly and use extra caution if traveling. A winter storm warning for heavy snow means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Significant amounts of snow are forecast that will make travel dangerous. Only travel in an emergency. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency.
Now here is